Not to be outdone by Londoners protesting Donald Trump's visit, Glasgow took to the streets with many anti-Trump slogans, and luckily they were printed because the spoken version would sound like United States of Europe making fun of the EU the American way. Here are my top 5 curated Scottish protest signs. At number 5, the self-aware I hate crowds but I hate Trump more, and the spiritual Zen monks against Trump. So far rather high-minded of the Scots, where are the bodily references? And here we go. Beat it, ya big orange jobby. Jobby meaning, well, you can imagine. And up Trump as in up your jobby. Then there's a fanny reference, fifers against neo-Nazi Yanks. Fanny, of course, having a different meaning in the UK, hence the term fanny pack being endlessly amusing to the Brits, and this one being hilarious. But the best acronym, Trump, total roaster, unstable misogynist prat. At number 3, I'm peach, not bad, but better is Scotland, we hated Trump first, by which I assume you mean Trump's own mother was Scottish. Now in London we saw We Shall Overcome, but upping the ante is There Will Be Hell to Pay. Well played. And at number 1, the best joke of all is Trump himself playing golf thanks to British taxpayer money. But Brits don't feel too bad. There's also the 50 grand US taxpayers put up for Trump to stay at his own hotel. In fact, the best sign would have been Trump Monopoly. When landing on your own property with a hotel, all other players must pay you rent.
Newsroom, it's a newsroom. Listen to the sound of the newsroom. Anything can happen in a newsroom. News, 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 news.